kanta nila, di ba, nire-revive ng mga
Correct.
makabagong singers na din. Kayo po ba, naisip nyo po ba na i-revive yung mga kanta katulad ng mga Beanie songs? Yung mga,
new
Nakita-
gen.
Magre-revive?
Parang mga ganon. May mga ganong piyesa
Gagawing
po ba
alternative.
kayo? Oo.
I'm very vocal about my admiration for the artistry of SB19, so why not?
SB19. Why not? Yes, SB19. I'm very vocal about my admiration for the artistry.
Amazing
Amazing
I'm
way
very
to
vocal
answer.
about my admiration for the artistry of SB19, so why not?
Yeah, they are legends. SB19, their power, their vocal range, everything about them is perfect, and they know it. Look how he is answering.
Pwede pala yung mga ganon, no? Kaya
Okay.
pa.
Ano nga ba yung kanta nila? Mahirap eh. Yung
Mama, Gento.
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 I mean, people who don't know SB19, they know. They know the song Gento.
Ewan ko lang paano namin iti-treat kung kunyari ako yung kakanta. Hindi ko alam paano yung treatment, yung areglo. Anong gagawin kaya namin doon? Like, especially Gento kasi dancey siya eh.
Yeah, Gento, now Mappa. People know about these songs. And as I said, even though some people don't know SB19, but they know the song Gento Mappa. They know these songs.
Hindi nga dalawang kaliwang pa ito eh. Walang pares dyan.
Pero